Infusion devices are an essential tool for the delivery of pain management and clinical nutrition therapies. CME Medical's mission is to listen to the needs of its customers, develop innovative solutions and deliver excellent service and support to both its hospital outpatient and home care customers. CME Medical's products are designed with and for its customers, ensuring that the lessons they've learned in their clinical practice are applied directly to the technology they use.
We get under the skin of an application and understand what the issues that people face in the particular clinical specialties that we've worked with. And we deliver products then that really are tailored to those clinical specialties, which is why the products have been so successful. People find that they feel that they've been involved in the process of developing those products, and that's worked well for us.
The medical device industry is heavily regulated for obvious reasons. Whilst quality of products and speed of response are paramount in production and delivery, scale is an advantage for the large multinationals. However, CME Medical manages to balance its size with a nimble and reactive service focused on customer needs. Furthermore, it has a long-standing relationship with its manufacturing partner, with whom it collaborates closely on R&D projects, in particular providing the customer feedback and clinical knowledge that underpins some of the product's key features.
Unlike a big multinational where they're manufacturing products which are pretty much trying to fill an international role, it takes a lot longer for them to respond to a particular country's requirements. Whereas because of our unique capability of having a good relationship with our manufacturer, what that enables us to do is actually when we hear about changes in the application area or a new application we want to take our products into, we can feed that back in and basically we can get that product out to market at the right time for the customers.
We will listen to what a customer requires. We'll then go away, work on a development idea. We will then take that back to the customer. We will show them what we produced, ask them more questions. We'll look to do further development depending upon what they require. We go to a broader field as well. We will speak to clinical specialists. We'll speak to people in the medical profession to try and make sure that we encapsulate a lot of ideas into one design. That way we know then that what we're producing is what the customer requires, what they want, rather than us telling the customer that this is what you would need.
A major turning point in CME Medical's growth came in 2006, when, in response to more stringent safety requirements within the home care environment, it launched the T34 ambulatory syringe driver. Within 1 year, this became the flagship product for the company. It was a clear sign of CME's understanding and responsiveness to market demands. A medical safety alert at the end of 2010 helped to establish the T34 as the product of choice for the ambulatory syringe driver market. However, such rapid growth was not without challenges.
Going from 2007, roughly 7 or 8 people in the company to over 60 people in the company today is a great challenge, because effectively a business is all about its people, and to find, recruit, train and work with good people is a continual challenge as we get bigger, not to lose sight of what it is that gave us the success that we've got.
We spend a lot of time on developing our staff and encourage personal development within our company to ensure that they're still meeting the needs of the customers as well as within the business needs as well.
CME Medical also has its own full-time clinical training team, making the process of installation seamless. This is critical in an industry where differentiation is crucial, and at least half of any tender is judged not only on the device and cost, but on the support available to hospitals in implementing it.
There's a cost element to supporting these devices over the life of what that might be 7 or 10 years. And some of the NHS trusts don't want to have the product away for any particular length of time. So giving them the ability to support their own product from a repair point of view is paramount. We've worked hard on our technical training to get it to a standard where you have that almost wow factor, because it's pretty good, and we're getting good response from that as well.
For CME Medical, the opportunities for growth and expansion are significant. Population growth and fiscal constraints on the NHS will inevitably mean more patients will be treated out of hospital and in the home environment, where the cost of healthcare delivery is lowest. This in itself is having a significant impact on how infusion pumps need to be designed, with ease of use and non-access to drugs to avoid tampering. Another potential growth area in the market is that of data communication. CME aims to work closely with hospitals to develop systems that allow patient infusion history to be recorded without the need for manual input. Asset management is also critical to future demands on devices. How to track products, who's responsible for them, and how will they be returned are all areas that CME's R&D team are exploring in detail.
Money's tight these days for individuals, but also for government-run agencies. So they're looking at the long-term investment of these type of products, because it's going to cost thousands of pounds over a period of time that they keep the product. So they're looking for products and also companies that can provide reliability, so lack of downtime on the product, quality, support for training and education of their staff, but also companies that listen to the customers for when their demands change, that can rapidly respond to their demands and not necessarily have to wait until the development of a next generation product in 4 or 5 years' time, but could maybe make a software change, modification depending on a new application. So the initial investment that the customer makes with our company, we can see this progressing long term because of the customizability of our products for that customer.
It's fantastic because we have patients who are being cared for at home by their relatives, friends, carers, and we now have a device that is reliable, and should something go wrong with the device, it will alarm and it will tell us.
Moving forward, CME Medical is in a strong position, not only to stand its ground against larger multinationals, but to win more niche contracts. In fact, in the past 10 years, it's one of only a few companies in this sector to have grown, a testament to its flexible and comprehensive approach.